Hey, this is Tom and Kelly, and we're here with Manifest Destinies by Tom and Kelly. And, of course, Taz. Everybody knows Taz from our last video. If you don't, just kind of look at our last video. You get an idea why he's named Taz. And we thought we'd talk to you today about how we are beginning our journey here and how we got started. And we've been together about 12 years now, and we've done some manifesting. We've received things that we never expected to receive.
Like each other.
We kind of asked for each other in a roundabout way. And she's got to be careful what she asks for, though. She got me.
That's true. That's true. With anything.
But, yeah, we've got, right now we're getting ready to retire and go on the road. We've manifested an RV, we've manifested our tow vehicle, we've manifested so many things over the last couple of years. We've learned from different, I can't say influencers because they're not really influencers, but they're, I guess, specialists in the field.
Yeah, like Esther Hicks,
Neville
Goddard,
Joe Dispenza, when you start getting into the scientific aspects of it.
Which he didn't care for in the beginning. He didn't care for that.
There's several people that are really good. Tom Kieran with the Be Something Wonderful channel. Chris the Wizard.
My favorite. Chris the Wiz. I like Chris. Yeah.
There's many good people out there that have channels that kind of instruct you on what to do. Problem is, you can get too caught up into processes and things that people try telling you, you've got to do this, you've got to do that. And the main thing to understand is you're the one creating your future, what you receive. So best thing to do is make sure you have an imagination.
A big one.
A big imagination. Don't worry about small. Imagine what you really, really want.
Imagine to the end and not in between.
Yeah. You have to imagine where you want to end up, or how you want things to end up. Because if you don't, you're only going to get part way, and it's not going to be satisfying. You're not going to be satisfied with what you get. And be careful with what you ask for, because you will get it. Be careful
how you ask for it, or how you manifest it.
Yeah, be careful when you do any affirmations, because whatever you say I am, that's what you'll get.
Because every word is a spell. And Taz just hit the camera.
Earthquake Taz just hit the camera. We also manifested Taz. We wanted a...
Yeah, we wanted a little doggy, and he just appeared. There he is.
To be our companion on the road. So
there's no coincidences. I'll say that. There's no such thing.
And once you get started with the manifesting, you'll start noticing things. Things will start piecing together for you.
But they're going to fall apart before they piece together. You're going to notice that. You'll think you're not going to get it, but it's just falling apart so everything else can fit.
You'll find out that the universe will give you lessons as to what to do and what not to do. Sometimes you'll get things like instantly. Sometimes it might be 6 months, a year, sometimes longer before you get what you want. But the universe has to work out the easiest path to it, which sometimes the hard part tends to be the easiest path for the universe to get you there. But a lot of it, like we said, we've got the RV, we've got a vehicle. We'll post some pictures of what we're in. We've got things we've got to do to get on the road. We've got to work on our house, get it ready to sell, get the RV, everything we want done. I'm putting in solar, trying to get everything to where we can be self-contained on that, be self-sufficient. So we'll probably be posting some pictures of how that goes, some video of that. We're working on getting our retirement all set up, trying to get this channel up and going so we can keep you guys up to date on what's going on. If you like what you see, we'd appreciate it if you comment, like, subscribe, whatever.
And we'll get better.
And we're not
new
pushing
at
you.
this. We're new.
I hate when people push you to hit the button, like, subscribe, and they sit there and
Share.
harp on you on it. Yeah, share.
We're not going to do that.
We don't do that. We're just here to share what our life's like with you. And if you like that, that's great. If not, get the hell out of here. No. For those that haven't watched the last video, you'll understand what that
Taz
is.
and I get used to that.
But
Don't we, Taz?
we appreciate you watching and sticking with us. We're going to have more videos to come. We're working on them. Hopefully, if you've got any suggestions of what you'd like to see or know about our manifestations or any of that, just leave us a comment and we can get back to you, address it on another video. Just let us know what you like. And Kaz, do you have anything to add?
A lot. He's got a lot to add. He wants treats. He loves treats. He's manifested a lot of treats.
But this is pretty much what you see is what you get. So we're not actors like some of these other channels and stuff. This is us. We're sometimes goofy.
He's goofy.
Sometimes. But we thank you for watching, and we will catch you next time.
See you later.
Boogie night.